In 800 feet, turn left onto Madison Avenue.
Yep, I'm really done. You gon' miss my loving when it's gone. It's gone.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Stony Island Avenue.
Today, I'm gonna take Layla out to play. I think the place closed. I thought it was closed at 7, but I didn't know. But anyways, we on our way to Playland, and I think we're gonna get something to eat and then come home, y'all. I've been like so depressed lately. Like, I don't know. Like, I need to get back to it. I miss doing it, but now it seems like I have to do it instead of wanting to do it. It's probably gonna be like a little mini vlog, cause y'all don't really. I want to get my camera fixed so bad. All right, y'all. So we came to the same place we came to for my birthday. We are here right now. We got like at least 20 minutes, 25 minutes. She right here playing. I don't even know shit. There she go, y'all. She right there.
I want a dog.
Okay, Laila, you have fun?
I want a dog.
You have fun?
Mommy, I want a dog.
Okay, girl, I just asked you, did you have fun? You ain't even say if you had fun or not. Did you have fun? You met a new friend. Some pizza? You about to go get some pizza?
I want to get LOL.
We can get LOL after pizza, okay? Okay? What you create?
It's a rainbow.
It's a rainbow?
Yes.
Oh, let me see. Look, this is my rainbow. Let me see it. Let me see the other color. Y'all like her drawing? I think it's cute. She said it's a rainbow, y'all. Not place another X. No, you messing it up.
Sorry. Move a camera. I want to take a picture.
Alright, y'all, so we just had some Giordano's. That's another problem. I gotta stop eating. Like, I get the urge to eat all the time. But this is the only time I ate today. So, I mean, it's just what I eat. That's what I gotta watch. So, I need to change that too, y'all. I hate being in depression mode.
Mom.
I hate.
Mom.
What?
Listen to me.
Talk to the camera. You want some lip gloss? But yeah, I hate being in depression mode. Because it's only gonna put me in the dumps. I need to get up, do something. I'm about to go to Target because I need some moisturizer for my skin, and then she wants a LOL thing. So these two moisturizers I'm gonna pick up. What? Damn. I want some lip gloss. Hold on. This is from ColourPop, y'all. Bomb. Huh. It's tingly. It's working. It's tingling.
But wipe it.
I can't.
I love the tail.
Nope. Move.
I want the tail. My pepper. Wash it up.
No, you just said you wanted some. She's so bad, y'all. She was good. She was kind of good today, though. I ain't gonna lie. Better than most days, but she's so busy. But yeah, we about to go to Target, y'all, and I'm about to bring y'all up in here so I can show y'all what I'm about to get.
Mommy!
All right, y'all. I'm gonna be right back
Mommy.
when we
Mommy.
get to Target.
Mommy.
Oh. Target always got the best baby clothes. Yeah, come on. Go put this on. I don't see it. And if I don't see it, then I'm gonna go to another Target. I can get everything. Come here.
I want to go shopping.
Huh? Let's go to. We're gonna go to another one, okay?
And how big is this?
Now, y'all see this? She playing with me. Get over here.
You said no.
Wait. Come here. That's why you ain't gonna get no LOL.
Oh.
Yeah, another Target. I look fat. Come on, girl. I don't even know why he put these big pants on you if they falling. Yeah, this is nice.
Where?
Right here.
Don't touch it. That's why I will. Woo!
That's all you care about.
It's cool.
Thompson, let's find LOL. Let's find some money. Let's find some money.
Wyatt?
Go find some money.
Wyatt?
How you know him?
It's Wyatt.
You know him? Oh, this is so cute. You like this? Do y'all like that? The TP?
I want to go Wyatt.
Okay. Let mommy find skincare first. Then we can go. Found one. This one. I still can't find the oil. I mean the Hydra Boost. Y'all, she making me get this LOL. This thing like $40. You make your mommy go broke.
Huh?
You making me go broke.
And Logan? Dad.
You gonna give a review? Ryan toy review?
Yes.
You gonna show what's inside? Alright, y'all.
Hey, today is a wheel.
So I have been drinking water I've been doing real good. The first day or the second day that I came home from getting my skincare routine, I drank a gallon of water. I kept 10. Then I drank half a gallon the next day, then so on. I just can't drink a whole gallon, so I just keep water next to me. I just bought this one and I'm almost done with it. But yeah, I've been doing good. Like, it really makes a difference. Water do make a difference. My water just gotta be cold. It ain't got no flavor in it, but I guess you can get the ones with the flavor. But I just keep telling myself I want good skin, so I'm gonna drink some water. Okay, I'm gonna drink some. So I'm about to finish this whole bottle and drink me some juice. I should have drunk the juice and then the water, so the water can flush out the juice.
Mom.
Like,
Mommy.
what? Drinking water. This is the only thing. And I noticed I noticed that when I be real thirsty, that's the only thing that be quenching your thirst is water. I don't know why, but it does. I just got this and I was thirsty as fuck. And I'm trying to stay away from juice too though, and just drink like a little bit of juice, not too much. Just keep drinking water, like I want to see a difference, okay, in my skin. That's good. And I want to work out, so I think that I want to get a membership. And even if I don't like get a trainer or anything, because I do want a trainer, just get a membership until I get a trainer, because the gyms come with the trainers. But I'd rather go to somebody, you know, that can get my body in shape. Just go and just like at least get on the treadmill for 30 minutes, and then do something with, like, I don't know, something. But like the treadmill, you always lose weight on the treadmill. I'm about to be on my way to Duke House, y'all. Oh, Y'all, life. Let me tell y'all, it's crazy. Like, I'm trying to get back on track. Y'all just do not know. I'm feeling a little bit better today because I did go out by myself, well, with my daughter, but by myself. I don't be hanging out with nobody no more, like no friends no more, nothing like that. I be by myself.
Mommy.
If I ain't by myself, sometimes, most of the time I'm with dude or at the house. But I need to get back to doing my tutorials.
Mommy, let's go.
Okay. All right, y'all. My daughter is watching me. She want to open that LOL down, so I'm gonna see y'all once we get over there.
Watch out, Shelly.
Oh!
What?
Hey. Take a picture.
Oh, shit.
Take a picture. Take a picture in the
Who?
camera.
Shelly.
Her name ain't Shelly.
Take a picture of the dog. Take a picture of the
Look
dog.
at her. She looking around the corner.
She like that heater right there.
Take a picture.
Yeah.
Take
Of course she gonna like that. I'm gonna take your picture,
I
girl.
don't blame you, Shelly.